In today's video, we're going to discuss about the differences between computer science and software engineering. Well, if you find yourself debating about which one to go, computer engineering or software engineering, this video is for you, because I'm going to demystify what is computer science and also what is software engineering. So let's start by understanding computer science in general. As all we know, computer science is the study of computers, computational system, and how they work. If you find yourself in a room asking yourself a lot of questions about computer, like how the RAM works, how the RAM interact with CPU, how this work, how that work, how ethical hacker break into system, you ask a lot of questions. Well, you might think yourself as a computer scientist because you are trying to demystify and understand the inner working system of a computer. That's what computer scientists did. And in computer science also it involved in understanding the theory, design, development, and application of software and systems. While in the other hand, software engineering is a branch. You know, in computer science we have so many branches. We have cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and so on and so forth. And also we have software engineering, which is a branch of computer science which is focused on design, development, testing, and maintenance of software system. If you look at the branch of computer science, which is cybersecurity, it involves on finding the vulnerability of a computer system and trying to fix it. While if you look at the other aspect of computer science, which is that branch of computer science, which is data science, it involves of analyzing data and find out patterns. While in the other hand, software engineering, which is involved in designing, development, and testing of a software system. So you might think, okay, you can't learn computer science at all. You have to specify where do you want to go. But there are some general topics that all of those branches in computer science must learn. Those topics are programming, networking, and databases. These are the main three topics that every IT person, whether you are a cybersecurity, data analyst, data science, artificial intelligence engineer, you have to understand all these three things: networking, programming, and databases. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section below, and if I made any mistake, please correct me. See you in our next video.